Greetings everyone, my name is Magwebu. My presentation is on the efficacy of lipopeptides, FENGYCIN and ITURIN A with edible coatings on POME fruit pathogens. One of the constraints found in South Africa's POME fruit industry is the occurrence of post-harvest diseases that lead to economic losses. The major post-harvest diseases found in POME fruit include grey mold caused by Botrytis cinerea and blue mold caused by Penicillium expansum. They are both wound pathogens that are currently controlled by synthetic fungicides. However, the frequent use of these fungicides has brought major concerns because markets are demanding fewer and lower chemical residues on the fruit, and the pathogens are developing resistance to the fungicides used. Other alternative management practices include biological control agents. In this presentation, I am going to talk about the use of cyclolipopeptides produced by Bacillus amalolicorfaciens such as FENGYCIN and ITURIN A. Previous work done by Murray and others in 2018, CLP showed to be a good potential biofungicide by inhibiting growth of the pathogens in vivo. Therefore, in this study, the aim is to evaluate the efficacy of the CLP combined with edible coatings as post-harvest treatment on POME fruit, either as a preventative or curative application. In this study, we used the Pink Ladies cultivar and Peckham peas. For the preventative application, we firstly applied the treatment, left the fruit to dry about 3 hours before we proceeded with the inoculations. Whereas in curative, we wounded the fruit and inoculated the fruit at the same time and applied the treatment after 3 hours of drying. Moving on to the results, here we have the percentage incidence, which is the number of infections observed on the inoculated fruit against our treatments on day 6. On the graph, we have the x-axis, the treatments are shown. Firstly, the percentage of the fruit showing infections where no treatment was applied, 2 different edible coatings with and without CLP. We used the same amount of CLP we prepared at process engineering and included fluorodeoxanol fungicide as the control treatment at the recommended dose, which is currently used in the industry. The CLP used contained 8.7 mg per liter FENGYCIN and 1.1 mg per liter ITURIN A. The results show coating 1 with CLP had reduced the incidence by 15% as a preventative application, whereas in curative, no effect was seen because the higher the percentage, the higher the incidence of the disease. We also noted that the coating 1 with fluorodeoxanol gave similar results, but for both application methods. On the same day, we also looked at severity, which is the lesion measured in millimeters against our treatments. We saw all the treatments containing fluorodeoxanol had less severity, and coating 1 with CLP had lower severity as well compared to the untreated. Therefore, our results indicate that the CLP can provide effective control of the Penicillium expansum, and under these circumstances, the use of CLP shows a promise and progress from the previous work. I'd like to acknowledge the following people and sponsors for the project. Thank you.